This is a video by WeMakeMints.com, and basically we want to buy shares in Imperial Tobacco, but we want to analyze the chart to see where we want to buy. Now we are thinking that 2,300 will be hit, and there is technical reasons why 2,250 could get hit as well. Since the crash, we have pretty much bounced off this ascending trend line for years, literally, and we got quite a bit above it, but we managed to break below it. When we did, we tried getting back above it, but failed, so the market broke down by quite a bit. Since then, we've had a decent rally, but we have encountered this resistance trend line, which is quite a strong resistance at present. So what we've done is we've drawn a line across connecting all the highs. When the market gets to that line, in general, what happens is it breaks down, and yesterday we tried getting above it, actually closed below it, which shows us that the market at that time is respecting that resistance. So we think that 2,300 will be hit, and possibly 2,250, which is our level that we are really going to be interested in these shares. If we look at some of the horizontal trend lines at present, you can see how many times the market has pretty much found either resistance or support of them. Time and time again, it keeps bouncing off of these horizontal lines, and this has been a characteristic of trading this share. And guess where we are right now? We're at that descending trend line, but we're actually at a horizontal resistance at the same time. Now, two quite strong resistances at the same point are going to be quite hard to break, and this is why we think that if you're a shareholder, it might be an idea to sell some of your position and just buy back lower on any drop. You can see time and time again it's bouncing, so that line is quite an important line, the horizontal one. So we don't anticipate the market getting above that. Even with the FTSE rallying, the shares have got to have a pullback at some stage. Our main target area is 2,250 pence per share on Imperial Tobacco. The middle line isn't as potent, but it could well provide a bit of a bounce. It depends on how much you want to risk on this trade if you are selling and then buying back. But we've identified a nibble level, 2,300. We will buy a small percentage, and then if and when the market drops to 2,250, we'll go in with our whole target holding. But at present, this market looks like it wants to pull back. So if we take a step back and have a look at the long-term chart here, arguably since the crash, I mean this was the 2007-2008 crash, since that point we've been in a bull run. We've pretty much respected the trend line. We got below it. It doesn't mean the bull run's over, it just means maybe it's slowing a little bit or it wants to consolidate, but that's what we think for Imperial Tobacco. That is still a bullish share, but this is why we are interested in buying this share. It pays quite a good dividend as well. If you want to know how to trade and how to analyze charts like we have, then come on to WeMakeMints.com. If you are on Facebook, search for We Make Mints. We post on there quite often about indices, and sometimes we tip individual shares and things like that. So if you're interested in becoming a trader and being able to time buys and sells, we've got tutorials on our website. So come on to WeMakeMints.com, and thank you for watching. We appreciate your time.